Good morning, students. Now, exercise 3.3, question number 2. Using the divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and by 8. First of all, we should know what is the divisibility rule for 4 and what is the divisibility rule for 8. So, rule for 4 is that the last two digits should be divisible by 4 or they can be 0. See here the example. Here the last two digits in this number is 24. 24 is divisible by 4. Here the last two digits are 0. Again the last two digits are 0. So these all numbers will be divisible by 4. Now rule for 8 is that the last three digits should be divisible by 8 or they can be 0. Now here see this example. Here the last three digits are 0 and in this 816 it is divisible by 8. Next 824 it is divisible by 8. So all these numbers will be divisible by 8. We can take any other example also. If I write simply 2000, this number will also be divisible by 8 as last three digits are 0. If I choose a number 1816, last three digits are divisible by 8, so this number will also be divisible by 8. Whether I put any number in its front, the last three numbers are not changing, so this number will also be divisible by 8. Now we'll take our example from the book A part 572. For divisibility by 4, we'll check the last two digits, they are 72. So 72 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4, 32. 4 eights are 32. So remainder here is 0. So it means that 572 is divisible by 4. Similarly, we have to check the divisibility by 8. It is a 3-digit number. So we have to check all the 3 digits here. So 572 divided by 8. 8 sevens are 56, then 12, 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 4. The remainder is not 0, so it is not completely divisible by 8. So 972 is not divisible by 8. Now B part, it is 7,26,352. For divisibility by 4, we'll check the last two digits. They are 52. 52 divided by 4, it gives us 13. So yes, this number will be divisible by 4. Now the same number divisible by 8 we have to check. So we'll take the last three digits. The last three digits are 352. We'll check 352 is divisible by 8 or not. 8 fours are 32, again 32, yes. So here the remainder, it is coming out to be 0. So this number 7,26,352 is divisible by 8. Now the C part, see here, it is 5500. As you can see, the last two digits are 0. So this is divisible by 4. And here we have last three digits as 500. So we will check the divisibility by 8 by dividing 500 by 8. 8 6 are 48, then 20, and here we get remainder as 4. So this number, it is not divisible by 8 as these last three digits 500 are not divisible by 8. Now our D part, it's very easy. Now divisibility by 4, we have to see these last two digits, they are 0. So it is directly means that this number is divisible by 4. And as it is 6,000, the last three digits are 0. It means it is also divisible by 8. Now the E part, it is we'll check this number, last two numbers of this part. It will be 59. So 59 divided by 4. Here the remainder comes out to be 3. So the last digits are not divisible by 4. So this number 12,159 is not divisible by 4. Now we'll check its divisibility by 8. So for divisibility by 8, we need to check the last 3 digits. When we divided the remainder, again it is not 0. So this number will also not be divisible by 8. So last 3 digits are not divisible by 8. So this number 12,159 is not divisible by 8. Thank you.